Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video series, we are looking at how to create your online store on Keepsales. Now specifically for this video, we will be looking at step number 4 in creating your online store, which is the sliding images settings. Okay, so let's get to see what that is. Okay, so we click on the main menu, click on online store, we click on setup and settings. Okay, so step number 4 says sliding images and settings. Okay, so let's click and see what that does. Okay, so the sliding images on the home page of your online store makes customers feel excited anytime they visit. Okay, so when customers visit your home page, the sliding images are the first things that they are going to see. Okay, so over here you realize that there are dimensions, okay, that are required, so you have to make sure you use these particular dimensions. Now to select the images, okay, you just click on choose file. Okay, I have some images I downloaded. Okay, so sliding 4, you click on open, you realize the name appears here. You click on choose file again, sliding 3. Okay, then I click on choose file again, then I just sliding 2, and then I click on open. All right, so I have all that set. Now what we are going to do is, okay, we already have these default tags available for you. So shop at amazing prices with great quality to match for the modern day shopper, a wide variety of items, save time, save money. You can't go wrong with that. Okay, so if you have any tags that you want to use, you can fill them or in there. When you are done, you click on save changes. Okay, so once you click on save changes, it tells you that our sliding images settings have been updated, and then you click on OK, so it refreshes. All right, so you can click on that again and you notice that our pictures have changed. Okay, so now I want to see how it looks like on our website. All right, so you click on the view online store. Okay, and then you see that our pictures, okay, our sliding images that we used, okay, are the ones that show up, and you realize that the main header and then the subheader that we had are the ones that also appear here as well. Okay, remember, shop at amazing prices with great quality to match, those tags as well. Okay, so this is it for sliding images settings. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of these videos available for you. In our subsequent videos, we are looking at all the steps involved in creating your online store. So do well to check all those steps out in our videos on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.